Okay, we're going to make the drawing for the base plate. We're going to go here to New, and we're going to find one of these drawing templates. Nutrier A size template is a smaller sheet. Nutrier B size template is a larger sheet. Let's go large. Okay, I want to enter a couple things. We can enter these things later too. I don't know what the drawing scale is going to be right now, so I'm not going to enter that. I could enter today's date, 9/17/2015. My instructor. Who is my instructor? I'm my own instructor. That's weird. And I am me. We'll say OK. Okay, we've got our drawing sheet here. Notice we have it set up with our Nutrier logo. Now we're going to add a base view. If you have the document open, it'll automatically show up here. Otherwise, you have to find it. So I'm going to find the base plate. If you have your project set up right, it'll go right to the right folder. And is this 1-to-1 scale good? Can we go to 2-to-1? Not really. So we'll go to 1-to-1. We'll say OK. I think this is a good front view. I think I'm going to add another view. I'm going to go to Projected, and then click on this view, and I'm going to project another view this way so we can see how thick it is. I'll right click and say Create. Okay, so we've got a bunch of holes here. We've got a square part. The thing about this one is all the holes are in line with each other. So I'm going to add some center lines. You always want to add center lines to cylindrical features like holes or cylinders. So I'm going to go to Annotate. But in this case, I'm going to make center lines that go all the way across. And so here's how we're going to do that. Take center line, and then we're just going to click on the midpoint of all these different circles here. Right click, Create. Just do the same thing down the line. Do the same thing. Okay, I made a mistake there. Okay, got rid of all of them? Really? Alright. Be that way. Fine. Create. Boom, 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 boom. Right click, Create. I think that's what I forgot last time. Boom, 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 boom. Right click, Create. Boom, boom, boom. And my face is in the way. Boom. Right click, Create. Now we got to go make columns of these center lines as well. Boom, 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 boom. Right click, Create. Oops, made a mistake. And finally, okay. Now we're going to add some dimensions. You always want to add dimensions either we could add the dimensions like this. We could go from here to here, and then we could go from here to here. Line up those arrows from here to here. Line up those arrows. This one should be snapping. I don't really like this way. I'm going to change it to a different way. So I'm going to select these two dimensions, delete them. I'm going to go like this. This is called datum dimensioning. See how the dimension snaps? This is if like you wanted to write something afterwards. It would show up after or before. You just put your cursor on the left side there. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to escape out of it. Go from there to there. See where it snaps? That's where you want it. Those are according to drawing standards. Right there. And might as well just do the whole square. Snaps right there. Notice we have dimensions that are nicely spaced out. Now we're going to do the same thing for the horizontal direction. So we'll go from here to here, from here to here. Remember, somebody is going to be manufacturing this part, so you want the dimensions to be very easy to find, easy to read. Now let's move the whole thing up a little bit. I had to hit escape to get out of the dimension tool. And I can move the whole thing up, go back to dimension, and there we've got the square there. Now all we need is the thickness of the part. So if we just click on this line, we can get the thickness. Okay, remember we didn't put the scale down, so we should go ahead and do that. That's if you click on template, the plus sign, and then find this field text. Now we can put the scale in 1:1. And then we're done. Then we can save it, and we can export to PDF. And we're done.